my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today are some new kits from Stampin' Up. Now these kits will be available at the beginning of June. They are mentioned in our new annual catalogue, and if you would like a copy, then please drop me an email at wifelittonsud@gmail.com and I'll be happy to put one in the post. So this is the Notes of Cheer card kit, and I've not opened it. You'll receive it in this box, so it's got its own little box to store it in, and we're just going to open it up and start making some cards. Now this particular card kit hasn't got any stamps, so all the items have got sentiments already pre-printed. So this is a brilliant kit for absolute beginners, and you get full colour photographs of how to put it together. So we shall have a go. You get some little gems, your 3D foam. We have envelopes with pre-printed inners, which look very pretty. We have them in 3 colours. And then we have our cards. So we have some blank ones here. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. So we actually have a cutout butterfly. And then we have a pretty rainbow effect. Right, so I'm just going to pick up. Oh, nice. So we have some already laser cut frames in this rainbow effect, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Then we have some laser cut or die cut. I would say these are laser cut because I can see the burn marks. There's just a slight tinge of yellow where the lasers burnt the paper, but that's how laser cut is done, and they're really pretty. And here we have our sentiments. So we have a few different sentiments on there. There are different languages as well, but as I've mentioned on my previous video, if you want to use the reverse and use the banner, and then you could stamp your own sentiment on there. But these ones are actually colour ones. So, right, I'm going to put that to one side, and then we're going to start assembling. Right. So for this one here, we actually use our 3D, our dimensionals, and we're going to put one in each corner. I'm just going to peel the backs off. And then pop it on there. We have our glue dots as well. So we'll pick our sentiment, which is "You're always on my mind and in my heart." I'm just going to, where's my pick tooly thingy? Yes. So I've just got my pick tool because there's some little holes that I've just got to be popped. But you could do it quite easy with a pencil. If you're using something quite sharp, just be careful. Right. And then that just needs to be placed about there. So I'm just going to pick the glue dots up. Oops. Just using about 3 just to secure it, and then peel off the backs. My nails are quite long, so I can peel them off quite easily. But if you haven't got long nails, then just use something sharp. And there we go. That is the first card. I'm loving the design of this one. That's really pretty. Now what you can do as well is you can put your little gems on there, which we're going to do. So they already come sticky and they come in different sizes as well. So you've got the bigger ones. And then you've got some little smaller ones as well. Those gems are lovely. And just one more, I think. And there we go. That is your finished card. Absolutely beautiful little gems, like iridescent Swarovski type things. So yeah, that is lovely, lovely little card to start off with. Right, so the next one is the butterfly card. This one is using the pink sentiment. And that just pops across there, so again you can use your dimensionals. About 4 on here, I think. Although they're going to hang off. Yeah, you have to just make sure that you're positioning your dimensionals where they're not going to hang off the card. Bit of a rookie mistake. And that goes there. And then we just put some little gems on there. And just pop them wherever you want them. I'll put one more on there, I think. And there we go. That's your second card. So you can just write on the inside and it'll fit in your envelope. So once again, we've got a really simple card. And then from this you can take ideas to make other cards as well. Right, let's go on to the last card. Again, these are laser cut. Beautiful design. Just hoping I've got just one there. Put those back in the... So this one goes on the plain card. I think with this one we'll just lay it flat. So I'm just going to put the little glue dots in the corners. I'll hide them. Oops. Again. Stick them there. So as you can see, I've just popped them in the corners so they're hidden. I'm going to take the little pieces off. And then pop that on there. That's a beautiful frame. I really like that. And then we have some little edges. Let me just read that. A little sentiment at the bottom. So we've actually got two sentiments. So you have, I'm here for you today and always. And then that goes underneath a little note of cheer. The only thing you might have to do is just trim the little bits that were attached to the other part of the card. So we need to pop that on. Put your little glue dots on. With my longer nails it seems to get stuck into my nail, but we've got them off now. Right. And pop that on there. Hopefully that's straight. And then it's your choice whether you want to use some more dimensionals just to raise it up a bit, or if you want to lay it flat. So we'll lay it flat. I am loving that frame. The rainbow effect on it. It's very effective. And looking at kits like this, it gives you ideas for the other crafting dies and things that you've already got. If you're a crafter like me, your brain starts going, "Ooh, I can use this," and "Ooh, I can use this." Because sometimes it's you can look at something that you've got craft wise and you're like, I don't know what I'm going to use with that, and then you see somebody else's design of how they use it. It's like, oh right, okay, let me adapt and see what I can do. And this is exactly what these kits give you. Not only have you got, I say, everything in them to make cards, but then you've got the ideas beyond that. Put it on there. And there you go. That is your third card. So I've been loving this kit. I love the colours. Really, really pretty colours. And the fact you've got the ombre effect as well, and you've got your envelopes and everything in them. Just move these out of the way and I'll bring in the other two cards that we've just done. And there you go. They are absolutely lovely. I'm so pleased I got this particular kit to play with. And if you're an experienced crafter, if all you want is some really quick cards, then this is brilliant for you. Because sometimes you just haven't got time to actually make really in-depth cards, and you just want a quick card. So if you've got these in your stash, then that is brilliant. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll put links below to the shop where you can purchase this particular kit. I will say that once this kit is sold out, they won't be getting any more. So if you like this one, then I suggest you get it quite quickly. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time on my next kit. Thank you very much. Bye bye.